Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. How do you know if you have Secure Boot enabled on your PC? Well, there's two ways that it shows up on Windows 10 and 11. You can go to the Windows Security app, and in the Security app, you will have on the left side in the options the device security option. Here, you will see Secure Boot. If that shows up, it will tell you just under it, Secure Boot is on, preventing malicious software from loading when your device starts up. So that's one way. The other way that you can check it out is msinfo32, which is a command that you can put up. msinfo32, press enter. And here you will have in the system summary a part that's going to say Secure Boot state. This has three possibilities: on, off, or unavailable. So if it says unavailable, it means that it is probably not on your PC. That would be for a very old PC. For a lot of you, it might say off. By default, manufacturers often leave the Secure Boot off. So that means that if that says off, the only way to enable it is through the BIOS within your system. And so that's the other thing that we're going to check out. One, how to get into your BIOS. And second, how it is going to be, where it's going to be located within that UEFI BIOS, and a few things that you might be asked to do. Depends on the machine. So we're going to check that out in the next section if you want to go and turn that on. If you turn it on, it will actually work and will boot up with Secure Boot enabled. So as you see here, my Secure Boot state is on. So two ways to know if you have Secure Boot enabled on your PC. And like I said, for most of you, when you buy a new PC, manufacturers tend to leave Secure Boot off. The reason why Secure Boot might be off is that, for example, if you want to play with Linux distros, if you want to install a Linux distro on your PC, if you want to boot from a USB thumb drive, often Secure Boot prevents all of that from working. So you won't be able to go into installing Linux or playing with Linux. It's a way for manufacturers to kind of say, well, we'll keep it off depending on what you want to do. But you can turn it on if you want. It adds, once again, a layer of security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.